How to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to PS5 using the Bluetooth connection of your headphones. So first of all, make sure the Bluetooth mode of your headphones is turned on. So there should be a button for that specifically to pretty much just turn it into Bluetooth mode. If you're unsure, you can always just go ahead and check your manual on how to do that specific to your model. But for this one, it's just pretty much turning it on by pressing on the Bluetooth button. Once you've done that, you can navigate into your PS5's settings. In your settings, you can go ahead to the accessories, and then in accessories, you'll be able to see the Bluetooth accessories option. Just go ahead and press on that one. And then once you've done that, you'll see the paired accessories, which are the ones you've already connected to, of course, and then the accessories found. You should be able to find your headphones, or specifically your Beach Stealth 500 here on the accessories found. So just go ahead and press on that one, or depending on your device name, on the headphones device name, I mean, just press on that and it should start pairing up. You're gonna have to allow a few things, and then it should just go here to the paired accessories. Then you should be able to use it as well. But that is pretty much how you set up or connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to your PS5 using the Bluetooth mode of your headphones. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.